Hello, and welcome to SMS Marketing Tutorials. Today, we're going to see how to track who clicked on the links you sent in text messages. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Compose. Enter a broadcast name. This is for internal reference only. Enter the mobile numbers you wish to send the messages to. You can either select a list or enter the numbers manually. Enter the text in the message field. Click on the click-through URL icon to add a short URL to your message. Click the Insert Trackable URL button. Select when you want the messages to be sent. Click Next. Review the details and click Done. For the click-through report, click on Reports. Then click on Click-through Report. Select the particular link you want the report for. As you can see, you have the full list of people who have received the link and can also see who has opened the link you sent. You can select only the people who have opened the link and only the people who have not visited the link as well. You can set the filter in the visited status box. You can also send another message to all of the users or select users such as people who have visited and not visited from this screen. Just click on Send Message and you can follow the steps to send the message as shown earlier. Thanks for watching.